Today is the 9th of July 2021. This is Tulisuontie. I've checked the name of the signature. This is building 18 staircase B, and we have been in the staircase A before, and it's also filmed, and the staircase A is still original, and I filmed it. But it's also with windows here, and the folding in the doors, and the interior is still original, only modernized, and a very unnecessary one. 5 floors, built in 1998, modernized in 2015. The serial number is 55453. And it also used to have these late 1990s type Semag buttons. It has these 4 partial trains with 5 rooms, and it's going to be inspected next year, 2022. Turning 25 years old in 2023. And it is fast enough.
Yeah.
And this is in Itäkeskus as Helsinki as for Finland. You can press for the first floor. That's it. And please also watch the staircase A here, which is still original, so 2 different ones. One more thing, I might actually take a look at that.